Hi everyone, and welcome to Human Resource Management. This is an online course that is 15 weeks in length. My name is Kim Fisher. When you open the course, you will see that it lands on the announcements page. When you open it up, you will see my picture with all my information so that you can contact me. As you see, it is my personal cell number, so please text only. I have my student hours that I meet with you, but I can also meet with you any other time as long as we have an appointment. I have the button to click for our Zoom sessions if we want to meet. For welcoming, which I want to welcome you to the course, I have that it starts Saturday, January 8th, 2022 at midnight, and I've also provided the information you need to order your textbook. Then what I want you to do is watch this video and then go to Getting Started, and this will take you directly there. Again, I have my phone number, so I have everything so that you can get to me pretty quickly. But this is how you will access the content right up here. So here's our Getting Started. Now this should take you only about 15 minutes total. And this is your course syllabus, so when you do this, everything is in here. Your course syllabus, you click on it and it will take you, I would like you to read over that. The evaluation measures, this will tell you that your grade is calculated based on the following. 75% of your grade is made up between your exams, which you have 4 exams, and your employee manual project and presentation is 15. So that is 75%. And then homework, discussion boards, articles, and any other assignments are 25%. So I just want you to be aware of that. Course expectations. This goes in more detail about attendance policies. You can click on this, it'll take you right to the attendance policies, awards. Your human resource employee manual is your big project. And if you receive 95% or higher, you will actually get a badge that can be used in your LinkedIn page and just shows your accomplishments that you have made in the course, or, you know, it will always stay in your LinkedIn page. Ways to get in touch with me. Grade determination, again, we have that in there. Your course materials, here's a link to the bookstore to get your book. Late work, which we do not allow any late assignments. Returning feedback and grades usually within 1 week. Sometimes if it's a lengthy paper it may take a little longer, but I would let you know. Discussion boards, what we expect from them. You'll have an initial post and then an additional post. Usually the first one is due on a Thursday and then the rest are due on Sunday. All my classes are due on Sunday evenings at 11:59. How all your assignments must be submitted through assignment submission through D2L. And you can actually click here to print a copy of this as well. Here's your schedule, which gives you all the details. The course gets over on April 29th. In here you can click and it will take you directly to that assignment. So you have a Padlet, you have a pre-survey, an ed puzzle. So everything per week is in here for you and will take you directly to it. So there should be no question. You'll always know what you have due. Just a little bit about me and where my office is located on campus. We also have a communication plan, so as you see, there should be no reason why you can't get in touch with me. So we have everything here for you. And then this is where the video will be located. Then we have policies and resources. And here you will have links to the academic calendar, academic policies, APA 7th edition, late exam assignment policies, student resources, technology resources. But let's click on this one. It will take you, if you hit that, it will take you directly where you can get math help, writing help, library, financial aid. All of this is right here at your fingertips. So there should be no questions. We want to make it easy for you. Okay. Same thing with technology. We have so that you can connect and get help with technology as well, using D2L and using Zoom if you have any problems with that. We've also added the format for 7th edition, uploading handwritten work in D2L, tips for long distance learning, and smart thinking. I know this seems like a lot, but these are just resources. If you get stuck on something, they're right here for you. So I just wanted to make sure we went over that so that you would have know where they are located. So then I put these separately. I put them within the course, but I also want you to have them individually where you have your projects and presentations. This is an example where we actually have the employee manual project, its rubric, the instructions, and then what I added a checklist for you so that you can check off. Mine's a little different than yours, so it's going to look a little different. But you'll see that you can check off that you've read the employee manual, you pick a company, so it gives you step by step. And I do this just to make it a little easier for you. So just give this a little second, and we're going to have to go out and go around. So within the projects, though, it will tell you everything you need to know for the course, for those particular projects. So everything is within there. So if you lose it within a week for some reason, you're like, oh, I'm mixed up on which week it's in, you can always go up here and all the information for all the projects. And I strongly suggest that you go through this and read everything right from the beginning so it gives you a better understanding and time management on what you need to get done, what you have to get done, and the time frame that you have to get it done. I'm going to show you how our weeks look. So when you first open it, it'll say week 1. And then down here it will give you the week date. So chapter 1 is what we'll be doing, managing human resource. So we have these little buttons. So here it's going to tell you what we're doing in the course and what the overview is. And then these are our objectives for the week. And then here is your to-do. So this first week it seems like there's a lot, but it's not. It's a lot of little things, but you're going to read chapter 1, you're going to review the PowerPoint, you click on that and it will take you right to the PowerPoint. You're going to do a pre-course survey for me just so I have a better understanding of your background. Then we're going to do an introduction where you're going to introduce yourself, you're going to upload a picture of yourself. It's really fun, it will take you no time at all. Then we're going to do a little orientation quiz, a homework assignment, which is like a case study, very easy. And then I have an ed puzzle that you'll just click on it and go through it and answer the questions. And then I always add some resources for you just to help you out in case you get stuck on something. There should always be an extra video for you. And really that's how every week runs, and they're set up exactly like this so that you can go to the week, click on this, and you have everything at your fingertips, and you can click on the link and it will take you directly there. All right? Enjoy the class. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. Thank you.